Hello to all of my dear friends. I hope you're doing great and feeling well. Welcome back to one more video from Hyperpix. I'm Mary and I'm here from Hyperpix Productions team. So I'm going to introduce this so attractive product to you, which is the first product from Hyperpix Abstract Logo Styles collections, which I'm sure you must have seen similar to this style a lot on social media, Instagram or in the net. You must have seen a lot, which I think is so difficult to design something complicated like this, and it needs such a great knowledge in Photoshop and professional knowledge in the layer styles, which not everybody can handle it. So our designers have done great one more time like always and spent ages of their precious time and designed this fantastic style, and you can just convert it into your logo just with a single click without needing to spend a lot of time or have knowledge in Photoshop. So just follow me and I'm going to show you how to get to this style with a single click. So if you'd like to download this style, just read hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership and download all of our styles and use. So we just right click on a yellow layer and click edit content like all of our other products. So we're just going to insert our logo. I'm going to use Adidas logo. So we drag it right here, we insert it right here. Just easily right in the center. We don't need this logo, remove it. So I can just make it large. I think it's perfect right. We'll just close and click save. So as you see, this is our so interesting result. I just done a single click, not anything else. So these shadows, the highlights, the glows are all applied automatically. The light reflection and all of that is applied amazingly. So let's just try it on another logo. Just going to use this logo right here. We place it right in the center. We don't need to remove it. Delete one more time and click save. And here is our perfect result. Honestly, it's so interesting and eye-catching. I'm sure you enjoyed it and you agree. So guys, just notice that this is not a text effect and try to not use it on a text effect. It might work great on text effects, but mostly we designed it for logos, and as you see, what a brilliant result it has on logos. So we have many layers here, guys, which I just suggest you, if you like to change the color of your style, just merge the layers. I'm just going to get all the layers, click Ctrl E, and we're going to wait a moment till our layers are meshed. So doing this makes it much easier for you to make changes on the colors of your style. So we just create a hue and saturation layer right here, and as you see how easy we are able to get to some totally new colors. Honestly, it's magnificent, and I'm sure you agree with me. I'm sure you have the same opinion. So honestly, it's brilliant. So I'm sure you enjoyed it. Thanks for following us. Thanks for your time. And if you like this video, I just suggest you to refer to our website, which is hyperpix.net, and check out all of our products. And by getting the membership, you can access every single product you see and use them in all the different projects. Bye till next video from Mary.